It's spring on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and that means real estate season is in full swing. If you're thinking about selling your home in Biloxi, Gulfport, Ocean Springs, or anywhere along our beautiful Gulf Coast, timing is on your side. And if you want your home to stand out and sell for top dollar, we will need to do more than just put a for sale sign in the front yard. So here's 3 smart practical moves that I want you to do to make your home shine in today's market and without breaking the bank. The first thing, make it move-in ready, not magazine ready. The reality is most buyers today want a clean, well-maintained home. While looking like it's straight out of Better Homes and Gardens magazine is very cool, in most cases, it's not what will sell your home. So let's skip the trendy upgrades and instead focus on these essentials. Patch drywall cracks and rotten wood, tighten up baseboards, and replace foggy windows. Fresh paint in neutral tones like soft gray and warm beige works wonders. And replace outdated and mismatched fixtures and hardware. Details matter. What appeals to most and the majority of buyers is a functional, clean, and well-maintained home. Think less HDTV makeover and more, I can move into that house tomorrow. And number 2, win the war at the front door. You get one chance to make a first impression, and buyers are approaching your home with high expectations. And it's our job to exceed their expectations. Believe me, this is so important and not that hard. Here's what you can do in a weekend. Pressure wash the exterior, the driveway, sidewalks. Replace your welcome mat and repaint that front door with something clean and classic like navy or black. Update the light fixtures and hardware. And last, trim the shrubs, lay some fresh mulch, and add a potted plant or 2 by the front door. Here's the deal. The buyer agent will take about 1 minute to get the key out of the lockbox. This is plenty of time for a buyer to form a positive or negative opinion of your home. That is why I say it's critical to win the war at the front door. Number 3, fix before you list. Okay, last but very important point. This is where sellers often lose money by skipping basic repairs and hoping the buyer won't notice. Newsflash, they will, and if they don't, the inspector will. And it could cost you the deal. Thousands in repair requests or a significant price reduction. And let's not forget the stress of it all. So before listing, service your air conditioning unit. I often see home inspections with AC issues that a service would have solved. Address any lingering plumbing or electrical issues. Loose toilet, clogged drain, flickering lights. Fix it now. And while we're fixing things, take care of loose handrails, sticky doors, and all of the other issues that buyers or inspectors will notice. Not sure what needs your attention? Let's schedule a free pre-listing walkthrough. I'll help you get ahead of the potential issues because clean inspection reports mean smoother closings. The spring market moves fast, but a little planning goes a long way. If you want a trusted second set of eyes before listing, or just want to know what really matters to today's Gulf Coast home buyers, reach out. I'd love to meet with you, walk through your home, and build a strategy that helps you get top dollar without overspending. I'm Brian Day with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Expect Realty, and I look forward to answering any questions that you have or meeting with you. And if you or anyone you know is in the market to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.